Hey guys, Jeremy here with Simple Little Life, and this video I'm going to show you another one of the little projects I like to do with scrap steel that I get when I'm cutting out my knife blanks. In a previous video I showed you how to make a kiridashi knife. You can check that video out here. And sometimes when you're cutting out your knife blanks, you've got pieces of steel that aren't big enough to make another blade with or a kiridashi. But I personally don't like throwing this away because you pay good money for quality steel. And so I'm always trying to come up with different things. Sometimes I use them for tools in the shop or little whatever, and sometimes I'm just like, man, what can I use this for and not throw it away? So one of the little projects I came up with is a little bottle opener slash pry bar slash screwdriver. So this video I'm going to show you how to make one of those.